IIT JEE, Physics. Laws of Motion, Part 2. Part A, Multiple Choice Questions. 9. A stationary body of mass 3 kg explodes into 3 equal pieces. 2 of the pieces fly off at right angles to each other, one with a velocity 2 meter per second and the other with a velocity 3 meter per second. If the explosion takes place in 10 raised to power minus 5 seconds, the average force acting on the third piece in Newton is a 2I plus 3J times 10 raised to power minus 5. B minus 2I plus 3J times 10 raised to power minus 5. D 2I minus 3J times 10 raised to power minus 5. C 3I minus 2J times 10 raised to power minus 5. Ten. A machine gun fires a bullet of mass 40 gram and a velocity of 1200 meter per second. The mass holding it can exert a maximum force of 144 Newton on the gun. How many bullets can be fired per second at the most? A. 1, B. 4, C. 2, D. 3. A bird of mass 1.23 kg is able to hover by imparting a downward velocity of 10 meter per second, uniformly to air of density ρ kg/meter cube over an effective area of 0.1 meter square. If the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters square, the value of ρ in kilogram per meter cube. 0.0123. C. 1.23. B. 0.123. D. 1000. A horizontal force, just sufficient to move a body of mass 4 kg lying on a rough horizontal surface, is applied on it. The coefficient of static and kinetic friction between the body and the surface are 0.8 and 0.6 respectively. If the force continues to act even after the body has started moving, the acceleration of the body, in meter per second square, is, take g equals 10 meters per second square. 2. C. 6. B. 4. D. 8. "13. A boy sitting on the topmost berth in the compartment of a train which is just going to stop on a railway station, drops an apple aiming at the open hand of his brother sitting vertically below his hands at a distance of about 2 meters. The apple will fall a. Precisely on his brother's hands, b. Slightly away from the hand of his brother in the direction of the train's motion, c. Slightly away from the hand of his brother in a direction opposite to the direction of train, d. None of these." "14. A parrot is sitting on the floor of a closed glass cage which is in a boy's hand. If the parrot starts flying with a constant speed, the boy will feel the weight of the cage as a. Unchanged, b. Reduced, c. Increased, d. Nothing can be said." "15. In the above question, if the parrot starts flying down with an acceleration, the boy will feel the weight of the cage as a. Unchanged, b. Reduced, c. Increased, d. Nothing can be said." "16. A ship of mass 3 into 10 raised to power 7 kilograms initially at rest, is pulled by a force of 5 into 10 raised to power 4 Newton through a distance of 3 meters. Assuming that the resistance due to water is negligible, the speed of the ship is a. 1.5 meters per second, b. 60 meters per second, c. 0.1 meters per second, d. 5 meter per second." "17. A passenger in a uniformly moving train throws a ball upwards. The ball will return a. In the passenger hand, b. By the side of the passenger, c. In front of the passenger in direction of motion, d. Behind the passenger in the direction opposite to the motion of train." 18. The correct statement in the following is: A. A body can have acceleration even if its velocity is 0. B. If the velocity of the body be 0, it will necessarily have acceleration. C. If the speed of a body is constant, its acceleration also will be constant. D. A body moving with a variable speed has zero acceleration. (19) A vessel filled with water is moved to the right with a constant acceleration. Which of the following diagrams represent the form of liquid surface? (20) A person sitting in a moving train with his face towards the engine throws a coin vertically upwards. The coin falls ahead of the person. This shows that the train A. Comes to rest after the coin was thrown. B. Deceleration is present in the train. C. Is moving at a constant speed. D. Is moving with an acceleration. (21) A cycle is in motion. The frictional force exerted on both the wheels by the ground acts A. Backward on the front wheel while forward on rear wheel. B. Forward on front wheel and backward on rear wheel. 3. Backwards on both the wheels. 4. Forwards on both the wheel. (12) A horizontal force, just sufficient to move a body of mass 4 kg lying on a rough horizontal surface, is applied on it. The coefficient of static and kinetic friction between the body and the surface are 0.8 and 0.6 respectively. If the force continues to act even after the body has started moving, the acceleration of the body, in meter per second square, is, take g equals 10 meters per second square. A 2. C 6. B 4. D 8. Please subscribe for more informative videos. Also like and share.